Hey everyone, welcome to your practice. My name is Veronica. Today we're going to be doing a 15-minute yoga flow practice, and it will include some balancing. So let's get started in a standing position. And once you get there, I want you to go ahead and just flip your palms to the top of the mat, right? Draw the shoulders up, back, and down, and then just see if you can close your eyes for a moment. Right, so you're just tucking the tailbone just slightly, right? You're lengthening the spine up through the crown of the head. Your thighs are engaged, and you're smiling because it's a good day. And now just gently opening up the eyes, letting some light in. On the inhale, go ahead and sweep those arms up. On the exhale, dive forward into a forward fold. Soften the knees as much as you need to. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale and fold. Inhale, slowly begin to rise on up. Sweep those arms up. And exhale, dive back into that forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. On the exhale, plant the hands and step that right foot back. Step the left foot back so you're in your plank pose. And then lowering down to the knees, chest and chin, elbows are close to the body. Inhale, go ahead and come on into that low cobra. And then exhale, just gently pushing yourself up and back into your down dog, where we will take a nice deep breath and exhale. Good. Bringing your gaze towards your hands, stepping that right foot between the hands. Grab onto the ankle if you need some assistance. Step the left foot between the hands and fold. Inhale, slowly begin to rise on up. Sweep those arms up. And on the exhale, dive back into that forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, plant the hands. Step that left foot back. Step the right foot back. You're in your plank. And then lowering down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, go ahead and come on into that low cobra. And then exhale up and back into your down dog. Taking a nice deep breath here. And exhale. Good. Bringing your gaze toward your hands. Step that left foot between the hands. The right foot between the hands and fold. Slowly begin to rise. Sweep those arms up to the sky. And on the exhale, just lower the arms down alongside the body. Tadasana. Let's go ahead and just come into our Utkatasana. So you're shifting the hips back. Take a bend in the knees. Sweep the arms up. Shoulders are out of the ears. Weight is in the heels. Taking a nice deep breath here. And exhale. Good. One more breath. And on the exhale, go ahead and dive back into that forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. On the exhale, go ahead and plant the hands and step that right foot back. Now I want you to go ahead and begin to rise on up and come on into a high lunge. So you're just relax those shoulders, get your balance, right? Get your feet set, get your hips set, and breathe here. Good. Take a nice deep inhale. On the exhale, we're going to begin to lower the arms down as you take a deep bend in that back knee. Good. Inhale, sweep the arms back as you straighten up that back leg. Exhale and lower. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. One more time. And exhale. Good. And then inhale, just holding here. And then exhale, go ahead and come on into a twist off to the left side. Good. Take a breath. And exhale. Good. Inhale, sweep those arms back up to the sky. And let's go ahead and come on into a warrior two. So just adjust your stance here. Maybe making it a little bit wider, extending those arms out, bringing the gaze off that front hand. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Go ahead and plant the back hand, flip the front palm, reach up and back. Good. And then just begin to cartwheel those hands all the way down to the ground so you are in this low lunge. You can either have a block underneath that right hand and send the left arm up to the sky, or no block, whatever works. One more breath. Good, slowly lower the hand down. We're going to go ahead and step it back into our plank pose. And then flowing through a vinyasa or going right up into your down dog. So either knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga, whatever is in your practice. Inhale, either up dog or low cobra. And then exhaling up and back into your down dog. We will take a breath here. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Good, one more breath. And exhale. Good, bringing your gaze towards your hands. Go ahead and step that right foot between the hands. Left foot between the hands and fold. Taking a deep bend in the knees and sweep those arms up to the sky. Come back into that Utkatasana and just breathing here. And exhale. Good, one more breath. And on the exhale, dive forward back into that forward fold. Inhale, lift and lengthen. On the exhale, plant the hands, step that left foot back. When you're ready, you're going to begin to lift that torso up. All right, set your feet, set your hips, draw the shoulders down, pinkies are turned in, taking a breath here. And exhale. And one more breath. And then exhale as you dip the knee down, lower the arms. Good. Inhale, rise up. Exhale and lower. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Two more. And lower. Last one. Lower. And then just holding here. And then exhale, go ahead and come on into a twist off to the right. Good, breathing here. Good, and then reaching those arms back up to the sky and then opening up into that warrior two. So go ahead and make any adjustments here. Again, widening the stance, lengthening the arms out, reaching through the fingers. Good, go ahead and plant the back hand, flip the front palm, reach up and back. Good, and then just begin to cartwheel those hands all the way down. Once you get there, again, you can either use the block underneath your left hand. We're going to send that right arm up to the sky, just coming into a nice twist here, breathing. And one more breath. Good, lower the hand down. You can remove the block if you've used it, and then step it back once again into that plank pose. Flowing through your vinyasa or going right up into your down dog. It is always your choice. And then meeting in our down dog and taking a few deep cleansing breaths here. Deep breath in, long breath out, and another breath. Release. Bringing your gaze towards your hands. We're going to go ahead and step that left foot between the hands, right foot between the hands, and fold. Taking a deep bend in the knees, sweep those arms up to the sky, coming back into that Utkatasana. Taking a breath here. And on the exhale, slowly rise on up. Good. All right, so let's just go ahead and do some balancing. We're going to start with a tree pose. Okay, so your right foot is going to stay down on the ground, and I want you to go ahead and take your left foot, and you can either bring it to the calf or you can bring it to the inner thigh, right? So whichever one is going to work for you. Another option is to keep the toes down on the ground and just keep that knee out to the side. This is definitely balancing, okay? So just go ahead and take a choice, whichever one is going to work for you. Get a point to focus on, right? You're pushing the foot into the leg back into the foot, And then bring the palms at the heart center. Relax the shoulders. When you're ready, you're going to see if you can extend those arms up to the sky. Bring the first finger and the thumb to touch. Relax the shoulders. Good. If you fall out, don't worry about it. Just come on back. When you're ready, go ahead and bring those palms back together. Slowly lower them down into the heart. And then you're going to remove the foot from the leg and keep that foot off the ground and the knee faces forward. You're going to take that right hand and bring it to the outside of that left leg. And then extend that left arm back behind you. You could either keep the gaze right where it is, or if you can slowly begin to bring the gaze off of the back hand. Flexing that left foot. A little wobbling is okay. Falling out is okay too. Right? This is what our practice will teach us. Good, bringing the gaze back to the front, and then slowly release everything and shake out that right leg, right? Good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side. All right, so left foot is planted down on the ground, and try to take what you did on the first side, try to do it on the second side. So if you had the toes down on the ground to the calf or to the inner thigh, that's what you'll do on this side. Either way, that knee stays out to the side. All right, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and just get into the pose. Again, the foot is pushing into the leg back into the foot. Your palms are at the heart center. You have a point to focus on. All right, just try to keep your mind on the breath. When you're ready, slowly begin to extend the arms up. You're going to bring the first finger and the thumb to touch. You're going to relax the shoulders, and you're going to breathe here. Again, if you fall out, just come on back. Good. When you're ready, go ahead and bring the palms back together again. You're going to lower the thumbs back down into the heart. And now taking that knee, you're going to bring it so it's facing towards the front. Flex that right foot, take the left hand to the outside of the right leg, and extend that right arm back behind you. So again, you can keep the gaze right where you are, right? If you can, you're going to slowly see if you can bring that gaze to off of that back hand, right? Maybe it's available on one side and not on the other. It's okay. It is what it is. And every day will be different. Good. If your gaze is off of the back hand, slowly begin to bring it towards the front, and then slowly release everything and shake out that left leg. Good job, you guys. All right. So facing towards the top of the mat, inhale, sweep those arms up, and then just exhale and fold. Good. Once you get there, I want you to heel toe those feet all the way out to the outer edge of the mat, right? Toes are going to be turned out. And then we're going to begin to sink the hips down, right? I want you to see if you can bring those elbows to the inside of those knees and bring the palms to touch. Begin to sink those hips down as low as you can, right? Maybe you're on your toes, maybe you're not. It's okay, whatever it is, right? Certainly if it feels better for you to sit your bottom down on the block, that's totally fine too. Right? So push those knees into the elbows, elbows back into the knees. I want you to lengthen the spine, palms together. Good. Sink the hips even deeper. One more breath. Good. And then slowly begin to drop those hands so you can bring your bottom down to the ground. Good. All right. So let's just come into an easy twist. So I want you to stretch those legs out nice and long. You're going to go ahead and take that left foot, bring it to the outside of that right leg. Good. Bring that left arm back behind you. Inhale the right arm up to the sky. Deep breath. Exhale, go ahead and come on into a twist. So you're going to hook the elbow to the outside of that knee, or you can wrap the arm around the front of the leg. Either way is fine. Keeping that right foot nice and flexed. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale to twist. Good. Coming back into an easy counter twist off to the other side. Good. And we'll go ahead and do the other side. So extend the left leg. Right foot will plant to the outside of that left leg. Bring that right arm back behind you. Inhale the left to the sky. And then exhale, go ahead and come on into that twist. So again, either hook that elbow, wrap the arm around the leg. Either way is fine. Inhale to lift and lengthen. And then exhale to twist. Good. Another breath here. And exhale. Good. Coming through center, easy counter twist to the other side. And then just make your way back to center, coming back into, let's just come into an easy seat. All right, so that's it for today. Hopefully that will get your day started, or maybe it's at the end of your day, whatever it is, right? And so go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and also to send me a comment and to subscribe to the channel. Take good care. Bye.